Hey everybody, it's Sherry here from Car Camp Journey, and I am starting a new project. You've seen my build with my Tucson and some bits and pieces of my Kona, but let me show you what we have going on now. So this is a 2022 Chevrolet Trax that my husband bought at auction, and when he bought it, the whole back end was smashed in. So we got a really good deal on it. But here's the better thing. It's got 23,000 miles. And now look at this. Look at how amazing it looks. I mean, I'll show the picture of what it did before, but look at this. It's freaking amazing. And it has roof rails. I'm really excited about that. Here's where I am right now. I spent the morning taking out the seats, which really was not that hard. They're the kind that flip forward. The bench seat does. So those two attachment points and those two attachment points, they were easy. This back seat part was a little bit more challenging. It just didn't want to come out easily, but I got it out. So I'm already thinking about my first steps here. And what I really want to do is take advantage of all of this real estate. I'm not thrilled about these plastic trim pieces, but this actually has some pretty decent storage, and this side does as well. So they are going to stay. There's also some attachment points here that I think are going to be super helpful. So what I'm thinking here is that I'm going to box out this space so that I can still get to the spare, because you just need to be able to get to it when you're traveling. These are my bolt attachment points that I had for the seat. So I'm going to use them for the additional storage. This is not anchored all the way down in yet, but it's about to be. And I'm going to have a piece that goes this way. And to accommodate for this little corner, I think I'm going to have a cutout. I haven't decided exactly how that's going to look or sound yet. Now let's see how well this fits. Oh, look at that. Like butter. Well, mostly butter. I got too far on one end. Oh, but wait. When I have it there, it's perfect. Love it. Little gap down here, but that's because I'm going to scoot this up a little bit. Oh yeah, this is working. But man, it's taken me forever. One of the things I made sure I did before I took these out is I labeled them as I would be looking down at them. It really does help with not only organizing it, but just keeping your pieces straight. That's a real challenge for me with the brain fog that I have now, so that's one of my tips. All right, so here's my dry fit. And you notice I have these angled a little bit because I really wanted to take advantage of the way the space was laid out. And plus, I like the look of it, and I like how things aren't going to get lost down in those sides and things. Well, I'm definitely excited about how this fits. I gave it just a little bit of leeway. I can slide back and forth. I can already fit my little portable chair, my little Moon Logic camping chair. But I like that I can switch it from side to side to put deeper things in if I need to. So, is it gonna rattle? I don't think so. But I might put a little bit of foam on the sides just to keep it from banging around. All right, so this is the cover I removed from inside the Trax. And the wood that it's sitting on is the lid that I had for the build in my Tucson. So I think it's really interesting that I'm really only losing, I don't know, 1.5 inches maybe from this. So that's a really good sign. All right, I've got both storage boxes made. This is my dry fit. It's looking really good. You may be wondering why there's a gap in the middle. That's because on this box, I'm going to do drawer slides for the head sleeping area extension. And it'll have a piece that just folds over and leans up against the 200-pound drawer slides so that I can push them in while I'm traveling. All right, so now I am dry fitting my storage area here. Looking at it from the back. And as you can see, I did some heavy duty drawer slides to help with that sleeping extension. I did purchase ones that are supposed to lock, but unfortunately they are not locking fully extended or fully drawn back in. But that's honestly, I'm not that much surprised because I did buy the cheapest ones I could find on Amazon. So here's what it looks like in driving mode, potentially, when I can pull that extension in and still be able to put things in the back. So how easily does it come out? Pretty easy. All right, so I think my platform is pretty complete. We have this back section that can lift up when it's not in sleep mode, which it is right now. And the reason why I know that is because the little plates that I have would be turned sideways if I need to be able to access that inner part or lift any of those. And I'll show you how those work in a minute. This is the back storage area with the tray that slides. This can go back and forth if needed. You can see I still have some room if I need to put anything else in there, but I have a lot of my stuff that I don't need on an everyday basis. But I like having backup of, especially the bungee cords, because I use them just so much. The rope, the poo gel and bag supplies, all that, and extra wipes.